students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Hope you have spent your holidays very well. Okay students, today I am going to discuss here the Unit 4 division, and you have already done here the chapter number Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3 up to multiplication. Okay students, for division you have to learn the tables very well. If you know about the tables, then you will solve all the questions very easy. Okay students, now we will start here the worksheet Unit 4 and worksheet 1. In the before worksheet 1, we will do here the revision exercise as you have already done in the previous class, that is in the 3rd class. So this is the revision exercise. For revision exercise, I will do here the division basics. Let's see here. In the division exercise, there is a question number 1 and part A. In the part A, divide and find the quotient and the remainder. You have to find here the quotient and remainder. Let's see there. There is the quotient 84 divided by 4. I will do here only the question number 1, and you will do remaining questions yourself and find all the quotients and remainders of this question. Okay students, let's see here. 84 divided by 4. Now students, I will tell you that this is the dividend here. What is dividend? This is the dividend. Is equals to 84, and this will be the divisor. And this is equals to 4. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. Now students, let's see here how do you solve. 4 2 ja 8. Let's take the first digit and डिवाइड करेंगे हम 4 की टेबल तब तक पढ़ते रहेंगे जब तक कि हमारे पास 8 या 8 से छोटा कोई नंबर नहीं आ जाए. Then 4 2 ja 8 here. 8 minus 8, we will subtract it. 8 minus 8, that is 0, and we will take here the next digit. हम नेक्स्ट डिजिट करेंगे and now 4 की टेबल फिर से अगेन रीड करिए. 4 1 ja 4. There is 0. एंड ये यहाँ जो हमारे पास लास्ट में जो बचेगा इसे हम बोलते हैं रिमाइंडर. एंड देयर इज द क्वेश्चन. दिस विल बी read as the question. Is this clear students? This is the 21. So there is quotient here, and quotient is equals to 21, and there is the remainder here, and this is the remainder is 0 here. Okay students, this is the previous class question. In the previous class you have done all the question doing like this. You have find here the quotient. There is given here the divisor and the dividend, and you have find here the quotient and the remainder. But in this class, in the next worksheet, we will do here that how do you check that this is right or wrong. How do you check? Yes, there is the one important remembering point, that if we are multiplying both the numbers and adding the remainder, it becomes 84. Yes, that is, we will check here that if we multiplying both the numbers, and adding the remainder, then we will get the divisor 84. Let's see there. There is divisor is equals to dividend multiplied to quotient, both are multiplying, and then added to remainder, and plus remainder. we will get here this as the divisor. Let's see there. This is the dividend. Dividend is 4 and quotient is 21 and plus what is the remainder here? That is 0. Okay. Now 4 into 21. 21 4 ja. Yes. 84. 21 4 ja. 84 and plus 0 and 84 plus 0. Yes. 0 is added to any number. It will become itself. That is 84. It will done here. So divisor is 84. It means this is the height here. If divisor is equals to 84, then there is also the 84. Then it becomes a check here. Okay, students. Now we will go to the next question. Now students, there is a question number 2. In the question number 2, divide orally using the multiplication tables. Multiplication tables का use करके और आपको orally solve करना है questions को. Let's see there. There is the question number 1, part A, 15 divided by 5. There is the question. Keep it in mind. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. If we divide 15 by 5, then read the table of 5 up to 15. 5 3 ja 15. It means answer is 15 divided by 5. This is equals to what? 3. Because 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Is this clear, students? Yes. How do we check here? This is the divisor. You know. This is the dividend and this is the quotient. Is this clear? And there is the remainder 0 because nothing is added here, so remainder is 0. Is this clear, students? So 5 into 3 multiplying both the numbers and plus remainder is equals to the divisor. Clear? It's right here. There is 5 dividend into quotient. This is the quotient here. Dividend into quotient plus remainder is equals to the divisor. It means 5 into 3 and plus remainder is equals to divisor. Is it clear, students? Dividend. Dividend into quotient is equals to divisor. Sorry. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, now students, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. It's the 15 here. It's divided by 3. 3 5 is 15 and it will become here the quotient and this will become here the remainder and this is the divisor. Okay, students. Now, if we want to check it, 3 into 5 divisor into quotient and plus remainder is 0 is equals to the dividend. Is this clear, students? This is equals to the dividend and this will become the dividend here 15. Is this clear? Now we will solve here the question number 3 and there are some more questions. It is 56 divided by 8. Read the table of 8 up to 56. 8 7 ja 15. 6. 8 7 ja 56. It means answer is quotient is 7. Is this clear, students? Now we will do here the question number 3. There is a question number 3 here. In the question number 3, fill in the blanks. The question number part 1 is 17 divided by 1 is equals to any any number divided by 1 is always the number itself. And the part 2 is 0 divided by 8. 0 is divided by any number, then it will get the 0 always. And the third part is 32 divided by 32. And any number divided by itself is always equals to the number 1. And the part, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. There is 9 divided by what? हम 9 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें कि हमारे पास 9 ही आ जाए? Yes, 1. 9 is divided by 1, then it becomes the quotient is also the 9. Now, E part, there is a number divided by 6 is equals to 6. Any number divided by 6 is 0. When the number becomes 0, 0 is divided by any number. 0 is divided by any number, it becomes the number, 0 here. Then, now we will do here the worksheet 6. And there is another question, any number divided by 1. Any number divided by 1 is equals to 18. Yes. If any number divided by 1, it becomes the number itself. It means this is the number here itself, 18. This is the F part. Now we will do here the worksheet 1. In the worksheet 1, we will divide the questions, and then we will check here the answer of this question. Let's see. One question I will do here, and some more questions you will do yourself. Now there is worksheet 1. In the worksheet 1, divide and check your answers. There is a question. Part 1, question number 1, part A. 98 divided by 8. Is this clear, students? First we have to divide here, and then we will check here. Divided 98 divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8. 9 minus 8 1, and this is 8. 8 2 ja 16. And it is subtracted here. This will get here the 2. This is the remainder, and this is quotient. This is dividend, and this is divisor. Okay, students, these are the representations here, and you have done this the division already. You have known about it. This is the division. But one more thing, memory point is, this is the quotient, remainder, dividend, and divisor. You have on tips these names. Now we will check here that this is right or check. For check, we have done already the divisor into quotient and plus remainder is equals to what? Dividend. Okay, students. So we will solve this. If this is equals to the dividend, then it must be the right. Checking here. Divisor. First the divisor here 8, and quotient is what? 12, and plus what is the remainder here? That is 2. Now solve it. 12 8 ja 96, and plus 2. 96 plus 2 98, and this will be the dividend. It means it's checked here. If this is not equal to 98, then it means there is something wrong in this process. Okay, students, and remaining questions you will do yourself, doing like this all the questions. First divide these numbers and taking their names, quotient, remainder, divisor, and dividend, and then we will solve this question as this process. First write down this and then solve this as. Okay, students, there is the question number 2. You have to write down in the boxes the divisor, quotient, remainder, and dividend. I have already do this as, so you will solve the questions and write down, put down in the boxes, fill the blanks. Okay students, have a nice day. Bye students.